Alright, ready? I think there's something fun in here.
Tuco's interested.
We got a drone! It's so nice that it's so lightweight.
Ooh, that's so cool. Yeah, hold out all the things.
All things. Oh.
Don't break
I don't want to force it.
it.
Oh yeah, they go like that. This is gonna be fun. We are really pumped about it. We're excited to get going, and so yeah, things are. Expect to see some cool footage soon. All right, so we are pretty pumped about getting a drone. We're really excited. Can't wait to shoot the footage, do all the fun things that come with flying a drone. It's gonna be great. However, in the FAA's eyes, if you're using drone footage in a monetized YouTube video, that's commercial use. And so if you're uploading videos to YouTube and monetizing those videos, technically you should have a Part 107 drone license so that you can fly commercially legally. We're big proponents of doing things, you know, the boring yet correct legal way. So for the past, I guess, what time is it? 4:30. Hello, light.
Oh, sorry.
For the past 6 hours, I've been studying for the Part 107 exam. I'm studying for 2 days because I called our local testing center and they had 2 dates available, and one happened to be 2 days away from when I called. So in the spirit of adventure, I guess, I chose that date. And so I'm cramming a ton of information in 2 days' time.
So while Zach's been studying for the drone pilot test, which we're hoping will lead to a new source of revenue for us, I've been doing more of the same. I'm just making products, filling orders, marketing my business and everything, and trying to build up that travel fund, because that's what this time is all about. Taking it a little slow, mooching off a family a little bit, thank you guys, and trying to build up those funds so that we can have some pretty epic adventures this year. Right towards the end of the bus build, we were hemorrhaging money. We were taking a lot out on credit to finish the bus, because it came to a point where we realized that the longer it takes us to build the bus, the more money we spend, because that's rent every month, that's utilities every month. So at a point we were like, you know what, let's just get it done. And when we did that, we spent a lot of money. And then, traveling up to South Dakota from Colorado and then down to Alabama, we spent a lot of money. So this is our time to make that up and take it slow, and, hopefully in a few weeks we'll be ready to get going again.
So I just passed the knowledge test for the Part 107 commercial drone license, or at least the ability to use your drone commercially and charge for it legally. And it really wasn't that hard. It truly wasn't. I spent $5 on testing materials, and that was just for a convenient app. I didn't spend $350 on really expensive training courses. There's a ton of free information out there. The FAA gives you a ton of free information. And I only had 2 days. I registered in 2 days and had no knowledge. Came into it, 2 days of studying, and I got an 88, and I passed. It's really not that difficult. And I don't say that to like brag or be like, oh yeah, I passed my test. I say that because it's important, especially if you're going to charge for your work. But honestly, even uploading YouTube videos, technically you're flying illegally if you're uploading YouTube videos and monetizing those videos while using a drone. Obviously, everyone can decide whether or not that's important to them or not. We're professionals and we charge people for work, and so we're about to include drones in that offering, in what we offer our clients. So we had to get it anyway, and we also just wanted to treat YouTube as really what it is a business. It's part of our business. And so I'm very pleased. I feel it feels good to have this done with. We waited a really long time to get a drone because I didn't really want to do this. I didn't want to fly it illegally, and I didn't want to study for the test. I didn't want to have to take a test. It just seemed like it was something that was unnecessary, that I just didn't have time for, didn't want to devote time for. But I did. Glad I did it. We're really happy that we're going to feel confident and know that we're doing it legally. And we can't wait to start flying it. Unfortunately, the government's shut down right now, so I have no idea when the FAA is going to actually give me a license. But at least those gears are turning and the ball's in their court, essentially. So we're in Auburn right now, and so I decided, right after taking the test at the university, to celebrate with some Tumors lemonade. So good.
We're trying to go fly the drone for the first time, and of course on the way it's starting to sprinkle, so hopefully it'll clear up.
Big beat.
Well, this is fun.
That's so cool. It's a pretty field.
So we flew the drone for the first time, and it was even more fun than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, I was really intimidated by it. I didn't think I was going to fly it today, but it's really easy and really responsive and really steady, and
yeah, really easy to control. We're really excited about the kind of footage we can get with it, and we're going to do some camera tests probably in the next few days, this week sometime, but we're pretty pumped.
Pretty cool. Super excited.
It's starting to rain.
All right, guys. I've been the one putting this video together because Zach's on a business trip. I don't get a lot of practice editing videos, but it is fun for me, so I hope this video was okay. I did want to apologize that we didn't include any of the footage from the drone itself, but we decided against it since we don't technically have all the paperwork yet. I think we were supposed to get a temporary after 48 hours, but that didn't happen, probably because of the government shutdown. So anyway, we're excited to share drone footage in the future. We see a lot of potential in it, and it's a lot of fun to fly. So subscribe if you want to see that. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. A like, a comment, a subscribe, all means a lot to us. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye. It's on.
No. Specifically part 107, passed the test. It really wasn't that easy.
So, I'm sorry you guys, wait, where's the camera? Which way do I look? I have a new phone. There it is, okay. My sister's laughing at me. Oh, there's a dog trying to throw up in the background. You okay, baby? That was my sister's dog, probably hacking up part of a toy, but he's fine now.